Hello.
Hello, monkey.
Hello.
Oh, why is your hair is wet? Did you take a shower?
Yes?
Wow. Is it cold there tonight?
No, but it's cold because it has rain.
Yeah. It's raining there tonight?
Yes.
Oh, here. Here also.
Evening and night.
What's that? What's that again?
It rains afternoon, evening, and night too.
Ah, okay. Here in the Philippines, it's raining morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
Wow. What?
Yeah. Yeah. The rain doesn't stop the whole day today.
Yes.
So that's why you are wearing long sleeves, right?
Yes.
Because it's cold because of the rain. Right? Okay. All right, monkey, how are you today?
Okay, I'm good. And how
Wow.
about you?
I'm good too. Teacher is very tired. I'm very tired because I washed a lot of clothes.
What?
Yeah, I washed. I washed a lot of clothes. I laundry the clothes.
Yes.
That's why teacher is very tired.
But what are you wearing today?
What am I wearing?
Yes.
I'm wearing a t-shirt.
Huh?
I'm wearing a t-shirt, a doggy t-shirt. Does it look good? Is it cute?
No, it's raining. You have to put on your sweater or the jacket, please.
Oh, no, it's okay. Wait a minute, monkey. There is a rat in the kitchen. Wait for me. Because I closed the door. This is our kitchen. Oh, I closed the door. That's why I'm knocking. Because there is a rat inside the kitchen.
Okay, but you were with your mom.
My mom is in their house.
I want to meet you.
You want to meet her, but she's not here. She's in the different house. Her place is very far from here.
And you are the mom?
Yeah, I'm the mom here in our house.
Okay.
Right? Oh, I'm the mom here because I have 2 kids, right? Did you see them already?
No, I see only one kiss.
I only see one. The little one or the big one?
So
The little one? Okay, she is same age as you. You are 7, right?
yes.
Oh, she is also 7, just like you. So you are both little.
Huh?
You are both little and small. Okay. Let's begin now, monkey monkey.
Okay.
Okay, let's begin our lesson for today or tonight.
Okay.
All right, monkey. So our lesson for tonight is, can you read it?
Okay.
What is that?
Treasures. Treasure.
Treasure. Very good. Also, Monkey, what do you think is a treasure? What is that?
So many goals. And
Many.
money.
Yes, and also there are a lot of important or expensive stones like diamonds, crystals, and some expensive jewelries too. Okay? So Monkey, do you have a treasure in your house?
No, I don't have a priority.
No, how about a treasure? Do you have a treasure in your house?
No, I don't have a map.
You don't have a map? Or maybe the treasure is in the cupboard.
No,
Or maybe it's in the kitchen
no,
or in your bedroom.
no,
Not?
no,
You don't have treasure there?
no, not here.
Oh, because
No, no,
I have a treasure here at home. I have a treasure here.
There are lots of.
Oh,
Where?
Here. This is my treasure because my hair clip has a lot of stones and crystals. Oh, see?
Yes.
That is my treasure. Okay, now let's go to the first page. Okay, Monkey, what can you see in the picture?
Coconut.
Okay.
Oh, what is
What's the second one?
coconut?
Yes, that's a coconut.
Cinema
Next one,
ticket.
cinema ticket. And last one
Cinema
is?
Treasure.
Yes, very good. Coconut, ticket, and treasure. Okay, Monkey, let's talk about first coconut. So, do you eat coconut, Monkey? Do you like it?
Yes.
Who buys the coconut for you?
My parents.
Wow. So,
I love the coconut.
wow.
Let's climb the tree.
Yes. Do you drink the juice of the coconut?
Yes.
The coconut juice, do you drink it?
Yes.
Okay, very good. How about the coconut fruit? Do you eat it?
Yes. And have a jelly in peas.
It has a jelly in it?
Yes.
Yes, very good. How about ticket? So, Monkey,
Ticket.
what is a ticket?
Huh? Ticket.
Yes, what is a ticket?
Ticket.
What is a ticket? Can you explain your answer?
Say my answer.
What is a ticket, Monkey?
A cinema ticket.
Yes, you can get that when you pay at the cinema. Or also, there's also one kind of ticket. When you ride the bus, you will get a ticket, right? When you ride the bus.
Yes.
And then also when you ride an airplane or in a ship, you'll also get a ticket. Ticket means that you are already paid. Okay? Okay, next one, Monkey. What is on the third picture again?
Treasure.
Very good, a treasure. So where can you see a treasure, Monkey?
At the beach.
Oh, at the beach only?
Yes.
Where
And
else?
at the island.
Where? Where's that? Where's that? What did you say?
At the islands and the beach.
At the island at the beach. But we can see treasure everywhere. There's always a hidden treasure everywhere. Hi, Strawberry.
We see the eggs and we eat the shells. Oh,
Hi, Strawberry.
it's a baby.
Say, hi, Teacher Biang.
Thank you, Papa.
Teacher Biang.
This is Ram.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm happy. Thank you.
Very good.
Very good.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Where's Mom?
This is her.
Are you happy, Strawberry?
It's a little strawberry.
Are you happy?
Happy.
Are you happy, Strawberry?
Happy strawberry.
Say yes.
Yes.
Yes, teacher. Strawberry, say yes, teacher.
Where is her?
Oh, let's sing. Let's sing, Strawberry. Let's sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder. Oh, what do you want? Huh? What song do you want? Monkey, she doesn't want to leave. She's so cute. She wants.
In the room, please.
Bye bye, Strawberry.
No.
Oh, Monkey, let her, so that she won't cry. Oh, let's sing first, Strawberry, and then you say bye to teacher, okay?
Okay.
Oh, let's sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! Clap your hands, Strawberry. Yay! Clap, clap.
Rồi đó bây giờ.
She doesn't want to leave you, Monkey. Okay, she's quiet now.
It's back. What?
Yeah, I saw it. It's black and white. What's that? Okay, next one, Monkey. What can you see in the pictures?
Pirates map. No, islands in the map.
Okay, very good. So the first one is pirate, island, and a map. So Monkey, do you want to be a pirate when you grow up? Huh? Do you want to be a pirate?
No, I don't want this.
Why?
I don't want to like the map because I don't like it.
You don't want to be a pirate and you don't want to find treasures?
Yes.
Oh. What are you doing there?
Okay.
Is it your headphones?
Yes.
Oh, you plug it. You put it in the computer. Finish?
Okay. Wait for
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. Can you speak?
Okay.
You do you know what are you doing there? You know what you're doing?
Can see you listen.
Can you listen to me now?
What you saying?
Can you listen to me?
I can hear you.
Or maybe you can fix that. You can fix the wire. Fix the cord. Finish now?
I cannot.
You don't know how to fix it? Monkey, can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Monkey. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, monkey?
I can hear you.
Okay. Let's go to the next one, monkey. Island. Have you been to an island before, monkey?
I can hear you.
You cannot hear me? Monkey, you remove the headset in the computer.
What are you saying?
You remove.
What are you saying?
You remove the headset.
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Can you hear me now? Monkey. Can you hear teacher now? Monkey. Hey monkey, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, monkey? Monkey, what are you doing? Can you hear me, monkey? Huh? Can you hear me? Monkey.
Please.
Oh, you remove the headset.
You.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
What?
Wait for me.
Can I hear you?
You remove the headset. Remove.
Wait for me. I go to help my mom. Pirate Island.
Can you hear me now?
Um,
Can you hear me, monkey? Monkey!
so, yeah.
Monkey, monkey! Can you hear me now?
1, 2, 3.
Can you hear me now? Huh?
I want to listen to you.
Can you hear me now, monkey? What are you doing?
Vừa lấy mặt của cô hơi bị kẹo tí.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me, monkey? Monkey, monkey.
I gotta do something scary for you.
Monkey, monkey, monkey. A monkey, I'm calling your mom.
Hmm?
Can you hear me now?
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello? Monkey, what happened?
I don't know.
Oh, I told you to remove the headset.
We don't listen you.
We
Yes,
cannot.
ma'am.
Computer.
Can you hear me, monkey?
Yes, I nghe thầy cô nói chưa? Điện thoại thôi à? I would like cái gì đấy? Chứ mà khác nữa. Diamond.
Oh, monkey, open your mic.
Thầy cô chưa?
Unmute it. Click it.
Điện thoại thôi. Nói đi, hello đi.
This one, monkey.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, Viet-Ain. Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay. Sorry, teacher was late because I ate quickly. Hello, monkey.
Okay. Okay.
Can you hear me now in the computer? Monkey? Monkey, can you hear me now? Okay. Monkey, can you hear me? Can you hear me now? It's okay? It's okay? Can you hear me? Okay? I Monkey, I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you now. I cannot hear you now. What happened? Huh? What happened now? Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot hear Monkey. Okay, can you hear me now, Monkey, in the computer?
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
but I cannot hear you.
Alright.
I I cannot hear him, ma'am. I cannot hear him. Oh, Monkey, Monkey, just remove that. You remove that now. You remove that so that you can remove that. Don't use that anymore. Don't use that anymore, Monkey. No, I cannot hear you. Ma'am, ma'am, Monkey, remove that. You remove that.
What?
Monkey, just remove the headset so that I can hear you. Because when you put that, it has a problem now.
Okay.
Or just, you can hear me, ma'am? You can hear me in the computer?
Yes.
But I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you in the computer.
I don't know.
Maybe you
Yes,
just,
I did.
Monkey, just remove it. Just remove that one. You remove it.
Yeah.
Or remove it.
We go class by telephone.
By telephone, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay.
Leave the computer.
Oh, Monkey. Monkey.
I can see you. I can hear you now.
Yeah, I can hear you now also. That's good.
Yes.
Oh, I told you just, I told you you remove the headphones.
Headphones.
Yeah, because you put it in the laptop a while ago. Oh, don't use it anymore. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's begin again.
Okay.
Okay, now monkey. Look and read. Okay. Look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the line. Okay, monkey? Look at, you are going to choose your answers from the pictures, okay?
Okay.
Okay, example. This person is in stories and sometimes he has a parrot. The answer is a pirate. Okay, number 1, monkey.
You have to buy this when you go to watch a film. It's a ticket.
Okay, a ticket is correct. Next one,
When
number
the
2.
stories on the distant times fall around. Trees.
Trees. Very good. Number 4. Number 3.
You look at these to find roads, different towns. A map.
A map is correct. Next one, number 4.
The places have water around them. And islands.
An island. Number 5.
Pirates look under the water under the ground. A boat.
Oh, that is treasure, not boat. That is a treasure. Oh, next one.
You sit in disco sailing for fishing in the sea. A boat.
Okay, so that is a boat. Okay, you got one mistake. So you got 5 points now.
It looks
Okay.
to the high score.
Yeah, still a high score, don't worry. Next one, monkey. Color the words that you can make from the name of a film. Okay, so now monkey, look at the title. The title of the movie is Pirates and Parrots, okay? Again, what's the title of the film?
Title is Pirates and Parrots.
Okay, so now monkey, we are going to scramble the letters, okay? And then we're going to form a new word. So example is tests. Okay, so what else? What word can you make from the title Pirates and Parrots?
I don't know.
You don't know here, example, test. Because there's letter T-E-S-T-S. Okay, so that is test. How about parents? Can we make a word with parent?
Oh no. O-R.
What else? P-A-R.
S.
Yes. So that is correct. How about sports?
S. B. C. No. O-R-T-C. T-S.
Okay, so we can make the word sports. Next one, how about seats?
E-N-T-C. And no S.
Okay, it's seats. How about trousers? Can we make trousers?
C. R. You?
Oh, is there you? Oh, no. So this is wrong. How about parties?
No.
Can we make...
P-O-R-T. With no I.
Oh, there's I here.
Sorry. I-E-S.
Okay. So it's correct. How about sisters?
S-I-S-T-E-R-S.
Okay. So we can make sisters. How about dinner?
D-I-N-N.
Oh, there's only one N. So this is wrong. How about pandas?
No.
How about pandas, monkey?
Panda.
Can we make a word panda here?
P-A-N-D-A-S.
Yes. Okay, very good. So these are...
4, 5, 6.
All right, so we can make... Hi, strawberry.
That's somebody. No, let me hear.
Strawberry.
That's somebody.
How are you?
How are you?
It's nice to see you.
I thought you eat. No, live in here. No.
She's laughing. Bye, strawberry.
Oops. Wow. Ouch.
She wants to learn also.
No.
Strawberry, be a good girl.
No.
Strawberry. Oh, you give strawberry to mom. Bye, strawberry. Bye, strawberry. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, strawberry.
Okay.
Oh, where's your camera, monkey? I cannot see you.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, now, monkey, let's continue. Oh, strawberry. Oh. Oh. She's crying. Oh, you transfer your place, monkey. Oh, transfer. You transfer now so that she won't cry.
Cô lại phải dặn cô là đi sang chỗ khác chơi em.
Okay. Okay. Oh, where is she now?
is in my room.
Where are you now?
I'm in the bedroom, please.
Okay. Oh, where's your camera, Monkey? I cannot see you now. Okay. Oh, I can hear her. Okay, now, Monkey, let's talk about this. Write 1, 2, or 3 words to complete the sentences about a film. Okay,
Okay.
Ano, Monkey, can you read the story?
Last week, my parents and I read about film on the internet. We bought tickets and went to see it at the Star Cinema on Sunday. The film was about a famous pirate called Dan. Black bread, and mac cheese. He had a black, and was very strong. He has a pirate who
Whose
name was
name?
Clever. And then shoulder. Okay.
Okay. Ano, Monkey?
Okay.
All right, Monkey. So now let's answer. So there's an example. The boy and his parents read about the film on the internet. On Sunday, they went to see the film at the Star Cinema. Okay, so number 1, Monkey. Read and answer.
Okay, there was the pirate in the film whose name was Dan.
Okay, there was a pirate. Very good. Next one.
Then the pirate was very strong.
Was really strong. Very good. Number 3.
Clever Dan was a pirate.
Clever was Dan's parrot. Okay, that is correct. Very good, Monkey.
3.
Yes, a high score. Okay, continue reading, Monkey.
Okay. In the film, Dan and his parents sailed to the small islands. When they go to the beach, Dan was hot and tired. God, go and find something to eat, he said to the pirate. Something for Clever too. Then Paris climbed tree and found some bananas, pineapples, and coconuts to eat. They sat in a circle on the sand, ate, and then slept after all day work.
Okay, so question number 4. Read the sentence and answer. The pirates
Went by the boat to a beach.
Okay, a small island, not a beach. Number 5.
Dan was tired when he sat down on the sand.
Dan was
Tired.
tired. Very good. Number 6.
So the pirate to go find something to eat. He said to
Okay,
God,
that's correct. Find everyone some food. Last one, number 7.
the parents and all have something to eat, then they sat on the beach.
Okay, slept. They slept on the beach, not sat. Okay. You got
Okay.
2 mistakes here and 2 correct answers. So 2
Bye,
plus
bye.
3
And the
equals
topic is 5.
5. Yes, very good. All right, Anna Monkey. So we're going to continue again on Friday, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good night now, Monkey.
Goodbye.
Strawberry now? Is she crying?
No, she's playing.
She's playing now. Where? Can I see her? Wait, I cannot see her.
Here.
Oh, hi, Strawberry. Oh, say,
Bye-bye.
say bye-bye to Strawberry.
Ta.
Oh, can I talk to Strawberry first? I will say bye-bye.
No.
Strawberry. Goodbye. Good night.
Night.
Good night, monkey.
16 giờ 48